Why onions make you cry? Diced, caramelized, or sautéed, however you cook them, chances are you've shed a tear or two while chopping an onion. So why does this humble vegetable turn us into a crying mess? The answer actually starts underground. The secret of the onions belong to the plant genus Allium, the same family that includes over 400 other plants, like garlic and chives. Through their roots, onions absorb sulfur from the soil and convert it into amino acid sulfoxides, sulfur compounds that are ready to turn into gas at the slightest disturbance. What happens when you cut one open? When you slice into an onion, you're rupturing thousands of its cells. These broken cells release special enzymes along with those amino acid sulfoxides. The two react together, first forming sulfenic acid and then a gas called syn-propanethyl S-oxide. Tough to pronounce, but powerful in effect. This gas rises up from the cutting board, drifts through the air, and eventually reaches your eyes. Why the tears? The surface of your eyes is lined with sensitive nerves designed to detect and protect against chemical and physical irritants. The moment these nerves sense the gas, they fire a signal straight to your brain, which you feel as that familiar burning sensation. Your brain responds instantly, triggering your tear glands to flush out the irritant. Some studies even suggest sulfuric acid may form in the process too, which could explain why the sting feels so intense. How to avoid the tears? Good news, this is avoidable. Once you start cooking the onion, the enzymes responsible for producing that irritating gas become inactive. That's why sautéed onions never make you cry. Another trick, chill your onion in the fridge before cutting. Cold temperatures slow down how quickly those volatile compounds turn into gas. Final thought. But before you curse the onion for the tears, remember that those same sulfur compounds are exactly what give onions their signature flavor. So, in a way, the tears are just part of the deal for great taste. And if you really want zero tears next time, the simplest fix, just wear a pair of goggles. Got your own trick for cutting onions without crying? Drop it in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.